Today, we review the best beginner electric guitars that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Squier Affinity Stratocaster Electric Guitar. Beginners who want to learn how to play guitar need to get an inspiring guitar to inspire them to keep playing. Of course, if you have a better guitar, chances are you'll play even more.
Number 2.
Epiphone SG Special Electric Guitar. Of course, everyone wants to have a real Gibson SG, but not all can afford it. So, Epiphone made a more affordable version, a stripped down, yet still delivers some qualities you are longing for in the classic SG. Epiphone SG Special Electric Guitar.
Number 3.
Yamaha Pacifica Series Electric Guitar. Yamaha Pacifica Series PAC 112V electric guitar is an entry-level guitar that helps you master your skills. Its alder body helps you achieve clear and well-rounded tone. It looks like a Stratocaster, and at its price, it offers more playability and tonal options.
Number 4.
Ibanez Solid Body Electric Guitar. It's undeniable that the Ibanez Solid Body electric guitar has a different aura that invites you to pick it up and play. The transparent red burst finish looks stunning and makes you think it's an outstanding guitar.
Number 5.
Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 Electric Guitar. An electric guitar that costs less than $300 is a bargain, and you can't expect it to be perfect. However, if you're looking for a low-cost, yet playable guitar that beginners and kids can play, have an Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 electric guitar.